Hello, my name is Megan and this is my final project idea. So I would use Onshape and Arduino. That's because for the product that I plan on trying to produce is something that utilizes the circuit features of Arduino, but also I would use Onshape to visualize and create the 3D printed object, because that would be the main feature of it. But then the object would have light features on the inside of it. So, or yeah, something like that. Yeah. So my idea is a toothpaste squeezer that attaches to the wall and lights up when being used. So I would make something like this with a handle, but it wouldn't get wrapped up inside of it. It would instead like go through. So you would have like a handle over here, and then when you turn it, I would want like a light in here, and then when you turn it, it would cause it to light up, and yeah. So it would squeeze out the toothpaste and light up at the same time. So why would I create this product? That's because so that you could not waste any toothpaste, and it's fun and easy to use, and it lights up fun colors, which makes brushing your teeth more fun, because I would enjoy the colors. And also a possible feature that I don't know if you can add to it, because I'm not sure if it would be possible with the Onshape and Arduino, but if you could, I would also add an alarm in the toothpaste squeezer, so that after you turn it to get the toothpaste, it starts an alarm that will happen after 2 minutes, because that's the amount of time that you're supposed to brush your teeth for. Or like a button that you could press for that to trigger the timer, so that like after you press it, then you brush your teeth, and then once it goes off, then you know that you're done brushing your teeth because it's been 2 minutes, and that's the time you're supposed to brush your teeth for, so that you can have clean teeth. Yeah, I don't know if that's possible, because I don't know if you can add an alarm, but if you can, then that would be really cool. Collaborator requirements. So there aren't really any requirements. This is just like an idea of what I would like for my partner to, I don't know, be or have. I'd like them to like my idea, because if they don't like it, then it wouldn't be fun, and we probably wouldn't have a good time collaborating with each other. And also, if they think that they can like achieve the end result. If they don't, then I don't know. If they have the want to make it, then I'm sure we could work something out. And then someone who communicates well. I think that communication is really important, because since we don't ever actually see one another, communication through I don't know, the chat here, or email, anything like that, is really important. Otherwise, there's no way we can get a hold of each other. And then someone who wants to have fun, because I think that this idea is fun and not super serious, because it's it's a light up toothpaste dispenser. But yeah, not super strict about anything specific, but that's my idea. So yeah, goodbye.